College, a place of further education, where parents know that their children are safe, but evil has its ways of affecting even the safest of places.
I've had enough of all these people mucking about in lessons. Why can't bad behaviour just disappear? I need to sit down. I'm so tired. Just tired. Wait, where am I? Where is everyone?
What are you doing here?
What?
You can't stay around here.
What?
Jamie's coming! That's enough. Come on, let's go! Okay, I think we lost him.
Will someone please tell me what's going on here?
Shh! Keep your voice down.
Jamie is the original test subject of the grand psychology test.
Psychology.
Where have you been? This was started off by the psychology teacher Stuart, hell-bent on eliminating all bad behaviour throughout college by using his special signal.
So, like, brainwashing.
Exactly.
I don't see what's wrong with this.
Well, it seemed interesting at first, but when the signal is on, free will is eliminated. But we found out that these protect us. Here, take one. By the way, I'm Nathan.
And I'm Bill.
Stephanie.
Good afternoon, students. The next lesson will start in 5 minutes. Don't be late.
Did you watch the Arsenal-Liverpool game last night, mate?
Yeah, it was brilliant.
Great game. I can't believe it.
No.
Some of the goals were just incredible.
That's it.
Yeah.
I wonder what sick, twisted ideas they put in his head.
Who knows, Bill? Who knows?
We need to get out. We're going to tell the police. We're going to tell the press. We're going to tell everyone. Come on, let's go.
Students have been seen outside of lessons. Patient 0, please report to the courtyard immediately.
Target located.
You don't have to do this, Jamie.
Come on, Jamie, you have free will. You can resist Stuart.
Bad behaviour will be destroyed.
We don't want to have to resort to violence, Jamie.
You lose one way or the other.
Come on! What? Let go of me, Jamie! Stop! Nathan, help me! Stephanie, run!
Somebody help. Please. Somebody help. Anybody help. Just please help me. Oh dear. It was just a dream. Oh, thank God. Thank God no teachers actually do this.
Right, you're working really well on this, but if you could just shut down the program that you're on at the moment, I'm going to get you to log on to a little program that I found. It's something I've devised. So if you could do that now, and same over this side of the room, you could just log off the program that you're working on now and start up the one I'm going to tell you about. Becky, could you just finish that for a second, and just for 5 minutes or so, could you just log on that computer, please?
Yeah, I can.
Okay, so I'll just write the website address on the board, and if you can all log on to that one. Okay, once you've worked through the program, I think you're going to find life becomes a little bit easier.